Welcome back YouTube, VST here at SP Tech, and this is the launcher iOS 16 for Android, created by Lil Teen developer, and boy, believe it or not, but this thing has been downloaded more than 50 million times, so I had to test it. And I, by the way, put up a short, and there is a very nice comment from this guy here. Bruh, you own an iPhone, why the heck you killing your S22 Ultra by that ugly iOS-like launcher? What can I say, guys? I mean, the guy is correct, so you are really correct, but I'm just telling you so that you don't have to do it, guys. And if that's the case and you're interested to see really what you can do with the launcher iOS on Android, then you're more than welcome to watch the full video. And my cat is just killing my video right now. Anyway, I wanted to say, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's explore. The first option is the lock screen, and by the way, you need to just download a different app, and it's the same for the control center, and it's also the same for the assistive touch. So if you want to have all these things, guys, you want to do it the proper way, you want to get really full iOS on your Android, why would you do it? But anyway, if you want to do this right, do this to yourself, then you need these things. I'm not gonna do this, guys. I'm just gonna check the layout. We have the dark mode. Wow, okay, on. And by the way, you see the toggles, they really look like iOS toggles. And you have also the iOS 8 style, which is really interesting. So wow, okay, I'm just going to remove it right now and then go back later. You have padding button, yep. And then, guys, you have also other things like auto rearrange apps, which I'm going actually to just enable the icon size, and then also the home grid option. And of course, then it will prompt you, guys, set me up as a default launcher. I'm gonna do this, guys. I'm right now in my default home app, and I'm going to choose, yeah, the iOS launchers, the launcher OS on my iPhone. And oh boy, this really looks really like an iPhone, and you even have these widgets there, and it's really crazy. The App Store icon is there, so it's really crazy, guys. Let me just see what will happen if I try to click something. All right, I just want to see if they will like wiggle the iOS way, but apparently not. And you still have access to your settings. Notifications, of course, are untouched, and then you have the quick settings. So yeah, I think it really manages to confuse me a bit. So, oh my god, guys, even here, the app library. Please go to iOS launcher settings and configure your app library. So I'm gonna press OK, and then, guys, I will go to the widgets. So we have the weather, we have the favorites, suggestions, the calendar, and really, guys, good work from this developer. All the icons really are from the iOS. Also weather, you can set it up, units, and etc. Then you have the blur effect, blur dock, folder, blur widget, blur search bar, and then you have also animations. Unlock animation, open, close animation, and the parallax zoom wallpaper animation. Jesus. All right. Yeah. Let me just see. I want to preview this. Oh, it's really moving. That's really crazy, guys. I'm gonna set it up as a wallpaper on my home screen, and I just want to see really if that is gonna work. So I'm just trying now to go. Oh my god, it works. Can you just see, by the way? Yep. Nice work. I'm not really the type of person that will try to use this. I'm always more for other things, but we have to appreciate, and guys, see even the blur that is applied. So we have to appreciate this type of works. And guys, what I want to do right now, let me just try to open one application. I want to see really how apps opening and closing are really working here. Even the search menu, guys, see? Search menu, very nicely applied. Yeah, search, I mean, okay, why not? Let's just now go for Telegram icon. Okay, I get here the Telegram. Okay, yeah, and when you click on the icons, you will have this nice blur effect. Not bad. Okay, Telegram, apps opening, apps closing. Oh, the animations though, yeah. See what happens, guys. The animation is a bit shocky to me somehow, but it's there. We have wallpapers. Let me go with standard. Yeah, let me just try to choose this wallpaper, guys. This is a standard wallpaper from an Apple iPhone. Now, will I be able to fool somebody that's not an iPhone? Yeah, why not? Why not? Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's here, and you know what? I like this. That's not bad, guys. See? And the blur effect is applied. Let me just try to open Telegram as well. Boom. You have the option to change the icons. You have also the option to configure your app library, also hide applications, change the names, guys. So you can just give a name to all the icons. That's really crazy. And you can make it the default launcher. I guess that's also understood. These things are interesting. The lock screen, the control center. I'm not going to go into all of these details, but apparently they're there. Let me just try to go also for the widgets, guys. So widgets are here. You have the calendar, you have the battery widgets. By the way, nothing really happens, okay? Nothing really happens. And you can, of course, press, ow! And now we even have this wiggling style that is really like the iOS. And oh my God. Yes, battery picture applications. The weather, of course, set to Cupertino. Yeah, let's try to add that widgets. Let's put them there. Honestly, we have to appreciate the work of this developer, and even see, guys, here the dock. I mean, he really went great lengths of doing that one. What I'm still not clear is how I'm able to access my recent menu, because you know the way I do it on my regular iPhone, it's clear here. Oh, okay, I think I got it. It's like this and then hold. All right. It's just, that's a typical problem with all the third-party launchers, guys. You need to just do this gest and then hold it so that your phone is able to understand what is going on. But besides that, not that bad. Let me just try to add some icons in one other, see what happens there. Up in, oh, even the wiggly stuff, guys. And let me just try to put it in I want to put one icon above the other, create a folder. Yeah, this really looks almost like using an iPhone, right? So it's weird. And you have here also the option to search. You press on the search, you can search all of your applications. So definitely it's a weird kind of experience, but weird in a good sense, and this might be something, guys, for you to try out. Why not just probably annoy your friends that have iPhones, then just tell them, hey, you know what, I have my Android phone and I have something that looks really like, yeah, what do you think about this? And then they're gonna say, yeah, you know, that's not fair. I mean, you have an Android phone, it's for poor people, you know, you cannot be really like us, like iPhone users. I'm not sure, just was a lame attempt for me to do a joke, but it is what it is, guys. Go try these applications. I would say really good work, animations, also the blur applied. I think enough is enough. Good work from this developer. Go try it out, have some fun, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for the channel. And with that said, VST over, and bye.